Grandbaby and Granny first argument.
She's bad, man. Ooh, she's bad. Okay, stop, folks. You don't just be no grandma. You don't share, you know. Ooh, always on your dad. You better cut that out. Ooh, we done messed you up. Check it. Look at check it. You better yourself, man. You better calm down. All right, listen to you. Man, that tag up second fat. How you gonna get it out? How you gonna get it out by yourself? Crazy, baby. Touching you, but that tag up second fat. How you gonna get it out? How you gonna get it out by yourself? I said what? Come here. So I can hear what you said. You said your phone? Where your phone? Excuse me? Come here, little girl. What did you say? Huh? Oh? No, little girl. No snacks for you. Really? You all right now? Are you okay, Miss Autumn? Are you showing out with Granny? Oh, where was that? What? Oh, you seen something? Oh, you seen a scarecrow? I know what you scared of. Let me go get it. What you smelling for? Okay, she said okay.
No, what?
Skate, What?
Hey, don't come over here by me. I ain't gonna say you.
Got to. You better leave me alone. Oh? Somebody want what? What? I don't know. But I bet you want to say it in my face, little girl. What? What you say? Uh-huh. What? What? That's what you do. Sit right there and behave yourself.
No.
What? Girl, don't make me get up.
You.
What?
You not.
You not what?
Yes. You not.
Okay. See what happened to bad cheers? What? Somebody come get her. Oh Lord, she come back.
You will knock me out.
Who gonna knock me out?
No. Yeah, I said.
That's what you said.
No.
Now what? What?
You.
Oh, you what?
You, mama.
Oh, she got me grandma. I don't look like no grandma. Oh. Anybody talking to you, mama? Oh, for real?
You will not get out of my top.
I would not get on your what?
My toy.
What toy?
I knocked on
I bet I bought it.
No.
Who bought it, girl?
No.
Oh, none of my business.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Woo, okay. I don't want to get on. Yo, socks. What? Why is you showing that with Granny?
No.
Come out. Why you walking fast? Oh, my, you ain't coming. What? Oh, what? Oh, no, where you go?